Baby shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, and grandpa shark loved to dance.
They swayed their fins and wiggled their tails.
Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Do, they sang. What a happy family.
Johny Johny was a sneaky little boy.
Tiptoe, tiptoe to the cookie jar.
Johnny, Johnny? Asked Mama Shark, swimming by the window.
No, Mama, giggled Johnny, cookie crumbs on his cheeks.
It was time for Johnny's bath.
Baby shark splashed in the tub with him. Let's play, squealed Johnny, squirting water with a toy shark.
Baby shark blew bubbles and giggled. Bath time was the best. After their bath, it was time to brush their teeth.
Brush, brush, brush.
Narrator sang Baby Shark using his coral toothbrush.
Johnny copied Baby Shark and brushed his teeth shiny clean. Johnny blew bubbles into the air.
Pop, pop, pop.
He pretended his shark toy could swim and fly.
Thank you, Baby Shark, for the fun day.
He couldn't wait to play again tomorrow.